Plants rely on a delicate balance of nutrients, sunlight, and water for their growth and development. As a result, various studies have explored the effects of different substances on plant health. One intriguing question that often arises is the impact of sugar water on plants. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of plants and examine what happens when sugar water is introduced to their ecosystem. Sugar water, a new nutrient source. Sugar is a compound known as a carbohydrate, and it plays a crucial role in the energy metabolism of living organisms. When it comes to plants, they naturally produce their own sugars through the process of photosynthesis. Sugars produced during photosynthesis are used as a source of energy to fuel plant growth and development. However, some plant enthusiasts wonder whether supplementing plants with sugar water can enhance their growth or provide any benefits. To explore this question, several experiments have been conducted, examining the effects of sugar water on plants under controlled conditions. 1. Experimental findings. Studies have shown that providing plants with sugar water can have both positive and negative effects, depending on various factors. Let's examine some of the key findings. 2. Increased growth. In certain cases, plants treated with sugar water have displayed increased growth rates, including taller stems and larger leaves. The additional sugars can supplement the plant's energy requirements, potentially facilitating growth under limited nutrient conditions. 3. Risk of disease and pests. The sticky nature of sugar water can attract insects and pests, potentially exposing plants to a higher risk of infestation. Additionally, excess sugars can create a favorable environment for harmful microorganisms, leading to the development of plant diseases. While sugar water may have some positive effects on plant growth under certain circumstances, caution should be exercised. Moderation is key when considering the use of sugar water as a supplement for plants. It is important to maintain a balanced nutrient profile and ensure that plants receive adequate amounts of water, sunlight, and essential minerals. Ultimately, plants are equipped with the ability to produce their own sugars through photosynthesis, making additional sugar sources unnecessary in most cases. To promote healthy plant growth, it is generally recommended to focus on maintaining optimal growing conditions and providing a balanced nutrient supply through well-prepared soil or appropriate fertilizers.